You can have a great accent and a killer vocabulary, but one tiny mistake with two simple words is a dead giveaway you're not a native speaker. The words are saber and conocer. In English, we just say to know, but Spanish asks for more precision. Getting this right is the difference between sounding pretty good and sounding genuinely natural. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to fix this for good. Let's get right to it. The core difference is shockingly simple. Here's the only rule you need to remember. Saber is for facts and skills. Conocer is for familiarity with people, places, and things. Think of Saber as head knowledge, data and abilities. Think of Conocer as experience knowledge, familiarity and acquaintance. Saber is for information you can learn or look up. It's often followed by words like que, that, si, if, or question words. Sé que la tienda cierra a las 9. I know that the store closes at 9. It's also for skills you know how to do. A classic mistake is adding the word como for how to. Don't do it. The how to is already built into Saber. Wrong. Sé como nadar. Right. ¿Sabes nadar? Do you know how to swim? Right. Mi hermano sabe cocinar. My brother knows how to cook. Conocer is for being familiar with people, places, or things because you've experienced them. When you know a person, you must use. Pro tip. For a specific person, you have to add the personal a. Conozco a Maria. I know Maria. ¿Conoces a mi jefe? Do you know my boss? You also use for places you're familiar with, like a city, or things like a book or movie. Conozco bien Barcelona. I know Barcelona well. This implies you've been there. ¿Conoces esta película? Do you know this movie? This means have you seen it? Let's see the most common mistakes side by side. For a person, don't say ¿sabes a Juan? Say ¿conocer a Juan? For a skill, don't say conozco hablar español, say sé hablar español. Here's the ultimate example. Sí, conozco la canción, pero no sé la letra. Yes, I know the song, I'm familiar with it, but I don't know the lyrics, the factual words. Time to test yourself. Fill in the blank with the correct form of or. Drop your answers in the comments. 1. Yo no dónde están mis llaves. 2. Mi familia muy bien la Ciudad de México. 3. Ella hablar 3 idiomas. While you're down there, hitting that subscribe button is a huge help. Let's recap the one rule. Saber is for head knowledge, facts and skills. Conocer is for experience knowledge, familiarity with people, places, and things. Mastering this is a massive leap toward fluency. You now know the rule. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.